Welcome to Solve, the virtual lab at NITK. This is the experiment setup for measuring the frequency of a reconfigurable simple pendulum. As you can see in the picture at the center of the screen, the setup is made of a variable length pendulum which is actuated by a motor. The concepts of the experiment are explained with detail in the web page. On the right side of the interface, you have the navigation and indication buttons which give you a good control over conducting the experiment. Now, click Next. There are two modes through which you can use the interface. Now, I will go through the online mode where you can actually conduct the experiment. A quick point before you click the start button. You have 120 seconds to acquire the data. So make sure that you go to the next screen right after clicking the start button. So go ahead, click start and go to the next page. In this screen, the first step you need to do is to change the length of the pendulum by moving the slider. Once you set the length, click on Change Length. You can see the value changing at current length position. Then you actuate the pendulum by clicking here. You can have total 3 trials if you want to, but if you are good with your acquisition, save the data onto your computer and then stop the data acquisition. Once the data acquisition is done, the amplitude of oscillation can be seen on the screen. Now click Next and that will take you to the page where you can use the cursor to find out the peak values of the oscillation. Note down the cursor values of X. Now with the formula given in your reference theory page, calculate the observed and theoretical frequency. Once you have these values, enter in the respective slots and proceed ahead by clicking Submit. Say yes. Press Next and that will take you to the last page where you have your results tabulated. If you'd like to have the result table for future reference, save the result onto your computer and say Exit. Now, to revisit your acquired results and to do the calculations again, if you are looking for a better result, you have to go to the offline mode. To do that, you rerun the program and press Next and go to offline mode, press Start, select saved file. Now you need to import the data whatever you have acquired in the previous experiment. And the remaining steps are very similar, but the only difference is that you're using the previously acquired data. Once you follow the same steps and you get new values, save the data if you'd like to, and once you're done with it, click Exit and that's it for the experiment. Thank you.